Hey guys, welcome back to 234 En La Casa. Today I'm going to be making tuna pasta salad. This recipe comes courtesy of a wonderful, wonderful human being that I lived with for a while when I lived in Costa Rica. Her name was Doña Maruja, and she would make this particular recipe for me, especial para mí, and I really, really loved it and enjoyed it, and I was going to share this recipe with you all today. Tuna pasta salad. This is Doña Maruja's recipe. This is how she makes it. She made it for me several days a week when I was living in Costa Rica, and so it comes courtesy of Los Ticos in Costa Rica. Okay guys? All right, I will see you over here in just a second to show you all how to make this amazing tuna pasta salad. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe and follow. All right, I'll see y'all over here in just a second making this amazing tuna pasta salad courtesy of Doña Maruja de Costa Rica. Okay, see y'all in a second. Okay guys, so for this tuna pasta salad, we're going to start off with a 16-ounce box of ditalini pasta. This is the exact pasta that Doña Maruja would use for the tuna pasta salad she would make for me. We're going to use about half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of the particular pasta for this single serve tuna pasta. We're not going to need a whole lot. I'm just going to do a 1-serving tuna. That's how she would make it. So you're going to add some of this pasta to a small saucepan or small pot and boil your pasta. Then you're also going to want to use a 5-ounce can of tuna. So this is what I'm going to be using. It's white albacore tuna. You're going to drain your tuna and you're going to place it in a bowl. All right guys, so once you've got your tuna added to the bowl, we're going to go ahead and use a fork and we're going to break this tuna up into pieces. And next we're going to add some kosher salt, about 2 pinches or so. And then we're going to add the juice of 1 lime. And I'm a total lime lover, so I'm going to add the juice of 1 lime. And Doña Maruja, she loved lime too, but this is how she prepared it. She used the juice of an entire lime. And you don't have to just totally obliterate your lime, meaning just get every drop of juice out of there. I just hand squeeze it and get the juice out that I can. I don't just continue squeezing. That should be a good amount right there. Whatever you can get out just by hand squeezing it. There's no need to use anything else to try to get just every drop of lime juice out of the fresh lime. And be sure to mix your tuna in with that lime juice just so it can saturate all of the tuna. The salt and the lime can saturate the tuna. And then next we're going to use some fresh cilantro, and you're going to want to coarsely chop your cilantro. And be sure to remove your cilantro leaves from the stems, okay, prior to chopping. And so if you see here, like this is a cilantro stem, all you're going to do is just pull the leaves. For this particular recipe, all you need are the leaves. Okay, see that? Again, like this. So you just pull it whole like that. All we're gonna need is probably about a teaspoon and a half of chopped cilantro. If you're gonna do a larger serving of this tuna pasta salad, then you would, of course, you'd use more cilantro. So you're gonna adjust your recipe according to your serving size. Okay, so that's our cilantro. I'm gonna go ahead and mix the cilantro in. Make sure that you cut a little bit more cilantro because we're gonna put some cilantro on top of the tuna pasta salad at the end. We'll garnish it with cilantro. All right guys, so the pasta is done. We're gonna get this drained off and put the pasta in an ice bath so it can go ahead and cool off. This is what your pasta should look like when it's done cooking. And you can either run your pasta under cold water if you'd like to get it to cool off. I'm just gonna put mine in an ice bath and then set it aside. Next, we're gonna add 1 diced boiled egg. You're gonna gently combine that. Add some mayonesa. We're using a blue plate. And I'm gonna add about 1/8 of a cup of blue plate. Okay, and then we're gonna add our pasta. Make sure, if you did the ice bath, make sure you drain your water off from the ice bath. So just make sure you've got your pasta all drained. You don't wanna add it real wet or anything like that. And you can add less mayonnaise than what I did. I just put 1/8 of a cup in here to accommodate the pasta that I know I was gonna be adding. But you can use less mayonnaise if you would prefer to. It smells so good. You can smell the lime in this. It smells absolutely excellent. And this is gonna be it. Let me give it a taste test just to make sure that the seasoning level is there. This is a real simple tuna pasta salad recipe. Very simple and very refreshing too. Let me give it a taste. Oh my gosh, this brings back so many memories. And you may wanna just add a pinch of salt. I might have added too much, so I think I did 2 pinches of kosher salt. You know, kosher is very, very salty. So yeah, just add you 1 pinch if you're, you know, real salt conscious or have salt sensitivities. Now we're gonna place some cilantro on top. This is an amazing tuna pasta salad. Give it a taste on camera with you guys. This is best served cold, okay? This is so good. I would eat this with tortilla chips. It's wonderful. The lime, the cilantro, it gives it a very, very refreshing taste. All right, guys, I'll see y'all next time here at 234 En La Casa.